Hi, I'm going to take you on a room tour of one of the cottages at the Hilton Garden Inn in Wailua on the island of Kauai. First of all, right here is the parking spot, princess parking. And if you follow this way, this is the cottage. Welcome. As you enter, you're greeted by the living room. It's got a wall unit for the air conditioner, some lamps. There's a ceiling fan, and of course open concept coming right into the kitchen. There's a mini fridge over here. It comes with 2 bottles of water, complimentary in the resort fee. Microwave, coffee maker. Over here we've got the television and the back patio. I won't open it, but a little area. I guess you could sit outside if you wanted to relax out there. And there's the separator between the 2 sides. Okay, plenty of seating if you had your family staying here. Now we're walking through the hallway into the master bathroom slash guest bathroom slash this is the only bathroom in this place. So it's got a shower, really nice hot water, and a tub if you need that. Toilet comes with towels and the usual amenities, soaps and shampoos and stuff. Okay, coming back out of there, and we're into the bedroom. Nice big king bed over here, side lamps. This also comes with television, so you don't have to watch TV out there, or I guess if you wanted to watch different things. And nice place to put away your stuff if you're staying here for a while. We've also got some views of the other bungalows out this window. And finally, nice big closet, again, more storage space, and another wall air conditioner. It's actually pretty comfortable in here, even though it's really hot outside. And then a ceiling fan up here, although I can't figure out how to turn the light on, so I don't know about that. So there you go. If you are coming to the island of Kauai and need some place to stay, check out the Hilton Garden Inn in Wailua. It's only a few minutes away from the airport and very close access to the beach. There's also a playground, kind of a campy area, I guess, if you had a family. There's also pools up at the main hotel. And I think tonight they're doing some sort of fire show. So we've got events going on every day of the week. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is Bendiventures.